Imagine a house so high that clouds drift through the windows and the earth is nothing but a distant green blur. Cinderella has lived here for 18 years with an old woman who raised her with care but kept her hidden from the world. Cinderella has never seen another human being or touched the soil below. But today, the old woman is gone. Driven by a sudden surge of curiosity, Cinderella finds an old rope and decides to descend. Her heart pounds a mix of terror and electric excitement. As her feet touch the soft grass for the first time, her reality shatters. Everywhere is vibrant greenery and flowers of every color imaginable. Cinderella wanders into the deep jungle, mesmerized by the scents and sounds she only heard in her dreams. She meets innocent forest animals, deer, and colorful birds who approach her without fear. Her slim, fit figure moves gracefully through the vines, and her extremely long, golden, shiny hair trails behind her like a river of light. She realizes the world isn't the scary place she was told it was. Suddenly, out of the thicket, a handsome and fit prince appears. He is lost and weary, but when he sees her, he freezes. Cinderella is terrified. She has never seen another human. Psychologically, we fear the unknown, and to her, this man is the ultimate mystery. The prince is captivated by her angelic beauty. He tries to speak, but she is overwhelmed by the human curiosity of seeing someone who looks like her, yet feels so different. A sudden realization hits her. The old woman will be home soon. If she is caught, her freedom will vanish forever. Cinderella panics and sprints toward her towering home. The prince, enchanted by this mysterious girl, follows her. She reaches the base of the tower and climbs the rope with frantic speed, disappearing into the clouds. She thinks she is safe, but she doesn't realize the prince is right behind her, climbing the same rope into her secret world. As the old woman's shadow looms over the door, the prince is trapped in the tiny cloud room with nowhere to hide. Cinderella's heart races. If the prince is caught, he might never leave this tower alive. But what happened next to the brave prince who followed his heart into the very heights of the sky? Did he escape the old woman's wrath, or did he become a prisoner of the clouds himself? To find out the rest of the story and see their daring escape, make sure to watch part 2.